Want to switch from your PC monitor to your TV without touching the keyboard? Just pick up your controller, double tap the Xbox button, and boom! Your display switches and Steam Big Picture mode is ready to go. And when you exit Big Picture mode, it switches right back to your monitor. What you'll need. We're going to use a free tool called AutoHotKey. If you haven't heard of it, AutoHotKey lets you run little scripts that automate things in Windows, remapping keys, shortcuts, or in this case, switching displays with a GamePad. Installing AutoHotKey. Step 1. Head over to AutoHotKey.com, download the installer, and run it. Choose the default installation and you're good to go. Creating the script. Step 2. Let's make the script. On your desktop, right-click, New, AutoHotKey script. Name it something like switchdisplay.ahk. Right-click it and choose Edit Script. Paste in the code. I'll link the Reddit post in the description. Now here's the important bit. The original script used displayswitch/extend, which stretches windows across both screens. That's not what we want when we return to the original monitor. Use displayswitch/external when you launch Big Picture mode to switch to the TV, and then use displayswitch/internal when you leave Big Picture mode and return to your monitor. That way, it's always seamless, switching over when you game, switching back when you're done. Running the script. Double-click the script. If you see a green H icon in the taskbar, it's running. Now, when you double-tap the Xbox button, Steam Big Picture mode launches and your display switches to your TV. And when you quit Big Picture mode, it flips back to your monitor automatically. Perfect for couch gaming. Auto Start with Windows. Want this ready all the time? Press Win+R, type shell:startup, hit Enter, and drop your script in that folder. Now it'll launch every time you boot Windows. Compatibility tip. One quick note, if you followed my previous video about setting up Artemis and Apollo, this script might interfere with that setup if it's always running. If you want auto-switching always tied to Steam Big Picture mode, consider using a third-party launcher like Playnite. Otherwise, just run the script only when you need it. And that's it! With one little script, your controller now handles your whole display setup. No more fiddling with Windows and P.